Now that we're done with the process of conducting contextual inquiries, we'll go ahead and make affinity diagrams. So why do we need affinity diagrams? Firstly, it helps us summarize the opinions and the inputs that we have received from different people through contextual inquiries. Secondly, it helps us categorize them into common themes and filter out the most prominent inputs for our application. Thirdly, it helps us in brainstorming the ideas and going ahead in designing our final product. So let's go ahead and do this. So to begin, we'll start writing our ideas and the inputs that we have received on post-its and start pasting them on the whiteboard behind us. So let's do this. So we got an input regarding the availability of cash and the working status of an ATM. So I just put it here. Another input was regarding the length of the queue in front of an ATM. I feel these two pertain to the same theme, so I'll put them together here.
So another one of the inputs was an option to enable or disable the notification system. So this somehow looks like it should fall in some other category, so I'll put it here for the time being.
So let's name it something like application features.
Yeah.
Right?
And this should be ATM details. This is somehow telling us about crowdsourcing. And for this would be system, I guess.
Talking about a system.
Yeah.
So I guess we're done, and we have built an affinity diagram using the opinions that we had received, and we're done with the process of categorizing them into the categories called ATM details, system, crowdsourcing, and the issues. Thank you.